Hey everybody, it's Neil, and if you know me, you know I love the outdoors, and I'm in Texas. It's crazy hot. I could have used this yesterday because I went on a walk. But this thing here is a rechargeable waist fan. You can see it right there. And let's show you guys what's inside and what it all includes. I guess this is going to be a strap for it. It comes with a charging cable, so it's going to be USB-C, USB to USB-C. Let me get the device out of here. And so this is what the device looks like here. It's got a couple of clips on it here and here. So I guess for different directions you've got. And then it's got the little power thing there. Let's just see. And it works. So this is blowing out and that's sucking in right there. So now I've got it on a low setting here. And then there's a medium. Oh, I got something on high. And a high. Oh, that blows pretty good. Oh, and a super high. Okay, so you got 4 settings. And that is nice and blowing. So what you can do is, it's like a waist fan. So I could stick it here on my waist. Oh, you guys can't even see. But I could put it on my waist and it blows up. I could even stick, if I don't drop it, I could put it on my waist and then put my shirt over it. And then it's kind of blowing up into my shirt, which is actually feels really nice. I'm going to go outside and give this thing a try. Come on with me. Okay, I am outside here in hot Texas sun, and I have the little device right there, and I kind of have it pointing up into my shirt right now, and that's really cool. It's like blowing up my shirt. I don't know if you guys can't really tell, but it's got a lot of power to it, so it's able to do that. So this would be great. If I'm out there going for a walk or something, I would be able to just totally take this with me and stay cool while I'm out there for a walk. I'm on my balcony now. I'm not going for much of a walk here, but it's really nice. So this is what it looks like here, and I've got it on high, and probably if I put it up to this, you can hear it, but it's not ridiculously loud or anything like that. You wouldn't really necessarily, if I had it down here and I'm just going for a walk, no one's going to necessarily know I have it even on the high mode. So it's really cool. I like this. I'm not sure why you would clip it on backwards, I guess to pull air out of something if you were going the other direction. But there's the little charging port on the back, and you can see it's got the little, the on-off button there. It is lighting up, but it's so dark, it's so light out here, I mean, you're not going to see it. But this is really cool. I like it. Totally thumbs up for me. Gonna stay cool in the hot Texas sun.